make a video how to patch a tire, just cause. So these are what they give you, little slime, little noodles. This is what they give you. What you want to do? Grab this, locate the hole. Go like that, in and out. See? In and out. Once you feel it super loose, it's good to go. Grab this. Stick it through the middle. Also make sure your things are kind of like aligned. Take this pliers. Straighten them out. See that? Oh, they're the same. And then I took this in here. Right in the middle. Stick it in there. Use your fucking man force. You gotta use your balls on this. See this? Honestly, unless you're a really buff girl, you could probably do this. But this is probably pretty much a man job. Unless you're yoked up, take a little some pliers. Take that shit. See that shit? Yeah. Then that stuff just kind of like slowly wears off. I had two in this one tire. Can you guys believe that shit?